Hello, Khan. Are you there?
Hello, teacher.
Hi, my dear. Oh, I cannot see your face, and you cannot see my face as well, right? Oh, okay. Can you see me?
Yes.
Mm, okay, that's good to know. How are you tonight, Khan?
Um, I'm very good.
Very good. What did you do today?
Um, I play play in
I played
play honey.
badminton.
Yes.
With who?
Mm, with father.
With who?
With my father.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And where did you play badminton? Where? Where did you play? Did you?
Uh, 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 is, um,
Did you? Did you play in the gym or you just played outside of your
uh,
house?
outside.
Oh, okay. You say, um, we are playing outside our home. Okay, again, I will ask you.
Uh,
I will ask you.
we are playing outside
Our
our
home.
home.
All right. So now, can you see the screen?
Uh, yes.
Do Yes, you can. Now, before I am going to continue our lesson last week, I want you to tell me what you had learned from our lesson last week.
Okay.
Can you tell me, Can, what you had learned from our lesson last week?
In
I,
class two,
again, I
I
learned,
I learn class two.
again, I learned
I learn about acting was
huh? Adding
uh uh
possessive.
possessive
What else? Possessive S
as acting possessive as
and
and as
what else you had learned? What about these people? What
uh,
do you
family
Okay, you learned about family
member.
terms and members. Okay, now one more time, Kan. Tell me what you had learned from our lesson last week.
Mm, I learned about acting possessive as and family member.
Okay, and the correct family members. All right, so let us continue that lesson tonight. Are you ready, Ken?
Yes.
Okay, now let us continue. If you still remember the answer, so Martin is Tom's what? You complete the sentence adding possessive s and the correct family member. So,
Yes.
yes. So Martin is Tom's what?
Yes.
Martin, who is he? What's his connection to Tom?
He is father.
Okay, so Martin is Tom's father. What about Nathan and Rosie? So Sophie, what is their connection?
Mm, parents.
Okay, very good. That is parents. What about Harry?
Um,
Is Liz?
mm,
Harry.
mm,
Liz and then Harry. Harry is Liz what?
um, grandchildren.
No, it's not. Like, Harry's mom is Lee's sister. Claire is Harry's mom. And Claire and Liz are what? They are sis?
Sister.
Yeah, so what's the connection of Harry to Liz?
Mm, grandson.
Hmm? Harry is Liz?
Grandson.
No, it's not grandson. That is nephew. Nephew. Because Claire and Liz are sisters. Then Claire, this is her son. So Liz, Harry is Liz's nephew. Now, what about Lisa is Mia's
Mm,
Lisa is
Lisa.
Mia's
Mm, Grandma.
grand.
Grandma.
Okay, very good. That's grandma. You are correct for number six. Puppy, Harry, and Mia are Rosie's. What's her connection
Mm,
to the three children?
um, Rose.
Rosie's
Uh, grandchildren.
okay, very good. Grandchildren. So one more time. Can. Okay. We skipped number three. Claire and Liz are Jessica's aunt. Okay, I want you to read the numbers number sentence from 1 to 7. Please read it aloud. Can. Number 1.
Harry is Tom's son.
Okay. Number 2.
Tim is Tom's father.
Okay. Number 3.
Nathan and Rosie are Sophie's parents.
Okay. What about for number 4
Harry is Liz's nephew.
and 5?
Lisa is Mia's grandmother.
Okay. What about for number 6?
Claire and Liz Jessica,
And what about for number 7?
Poppy, Harry, and
Mia.
Mia are and Rosie Rachel.
All right, grandchildren. Now, listen and check your answers. Let us just move on to look out, okay?
Okay.
All right, can please read. We add in-law,
In love, in love. We add in love for relationships from marriage.
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 Okay, so what is the meaning of father-in-law?
Father-in-law, your husband, father, your wife's father.
Okay, what about brother-in-law?
Brother-in-law, your sister's husband, your wife's brother.
All right, that's it. What about for letter B?
Mm, we ask them for relationships from marriage.
Remarriage.
Marriage.
Yep. Example.
Stepmother, your father's wife.
And then next.
Your sister, your stepfather's daughter.
Or,
Your stepmother, daughter.
all right, Kan, do you understand how to use in-law and step?
Yes.
Okay. For letter C, please read it aloud.
Um.
We add great.
um
We add.
we are.
Can you see it? We add great to refer.
We are. We agree to refer to the declaration
Oh, before.
before.
Example.
With grandfather, your mother's grandfather,
Or.
your father's grandfather,
And another.
with uncle, your mother's uncle, your father's uncle.
All right. Do you understand how to use in-law, step, and great? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, write 4 more sentences like the ones in task 2. Okay, like for example, Martin is Harry's grandfather or granddad. Okay, write a sentence, Kat, on your own.
Yes.
Can you use
One.
text?
Lisa is.
Wait, let me write again. You cannot use your pen. Are you using your phone? Can? Do you use your
Lisa.
phone? Can. Can. Do you use your phone now?
Yeah.
Oh, are you using your phone? You cannot use the text. You cannot write on the screen.
Yes.
You cannot,
Uh. Uh.
or you can.
I can.
You can write, or you can't.
Yes, I can.
Okay, just write. Use your pen there, or use the text, and write your sentences. All right?
Uh. Yes. Lisa is.
So you cannot write. Okay, I will be the one to write then.
Is Tom
Do not forget to put S, okay? The reason why I asked you to write is for you, okay, for me to know if you really understand our lesson. You need to write the S, okay, the possessive S in the sentences. Can? Can you chat? Can you use the chat box on the screen?
okay.
Yes, okay, that's better. So if you cannot write on the screen, just use the chat box with your answers and write the sentence. Okay?
Um, okay.
Okay. Okay, I can see your answers now. Lisa is Tom's mother. Okay, very good. But make the first letter of the name capital. Okay? Can. Yeah, do not use a small letter for the first name. It should be capital. Okay, that's correct. Another sentence. You need to make two more sentences. Two more sentences. You look at the picture, like there. You can you can use the photo. Another can make another sentence. What about Mike?
Um, my my is my is Poppy.
Mike
Poppy
is,
uncle.
huh? Again, one more time.
Um, my is Poppy's uncle.
Okay, very good. That is correct. Another example. Last one.
Um,
Another last one.
Nathan.
Nathan. Nathan.
Nathan is Jessica's um
Jessica's.
when
What? Louder. Nathan is Jessica's.
grandfather.
Okay, grandfather. That is correct. Okay, well done. So let me just move on. Okay, Can, to the next slide. So, like, can you please read it aloud?
Okay.
Read, Nathan,
Nathan is Rosie's husband.
Claire. Number two
Mm, Claire
is
Claire is Tom's wife.
Number 3.
Jessica is Sophie's daughter.
Number 4.
Mia and Poppy are my niece.
Okay, very good. So now listen to a dialogue about Ella's family photo. All right. You are going to complete the sentence, okay, with the correct family member, A, B, or C. Okay, got it? Can? Can, got it? Again?
Listen to
Mm.
dialogue about Ella's family photo. Complete the sentence with the correct family member, A, B, or C.
All right. So as what you see there, the family, this is a family photo. You are going to complete the sentence with the correct family member. So like for example, this one. This family photo includes Ella's A, stepmother, B, great grandmother, C, brother-in-law. So you need to listen very carefully to find out the correct answer for it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So I am going to play the audio for 2 times. Listen very carefully.
Lesson 1A. Exercises 5 and 7.
Can I see that photo?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Are those your grandparents?
Well, that's my granddad, yes. But that's not my grandma. It's my granddad's sister. She hasn't got children.
And that's your sister, isn't it? That's Maria on the left.
Yes, it is. And that's her husband,
What's his name?
Bruno. And these are their 2 children.
How old are they?
6 and 4.
So you've got one niece and one nephew.
No, I've got 2 nieces and 2 nephews.
Really?
Yes, I've got a brother too, remember? And he's got 2 children.
Oh, yes. And what about you? Where are you?
I'm not in the photo. It's my camera.
Okay, anyway, I'm going to play it one more time and listen carefully. Okay, Khan?
Okay.
All right.
Lesson 1A. Exercises 5 and 7.
Can I see that photo?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Are those your grandparents?
Well, that's my granddad, yes. But that's not my grandma. It's my granddad's sister. She hasn't got children.
And that's your sister, isn't it? That's Maria on the left.
Yes, it is. And that's her husband,
What's his name?
Bruno. And these are their 2 children.
How old are they?
6 and 4.
So you've got one niece and one nephew.
No, I've got 2 nieces and 2 nephews.
Really?
Yes, I've got a brother too, remember? And he's got 2 children.
Oh, yes. And what about you? Where are you?
No,
I'm not in the photo. It's my camera.
it's my camera. Okay, Khan. So, what's your choice? Stepmother.
B.
Great grandmother? Okay. Your answer is wrong. My dear, it's not a great grandmother. It doesn't talk about great grandmother. But it does talk about brother-in-law. Okay? Kan?
Okay.
So when you read the sentence, please read it aloud with the correct answer. This family.
Family brother-in-law.
No, read the whole sentence. This family photo includes Ella's brother-in-law. one more time. Do it again.
This family photo includes Ella's brother-in-law.
Okay, so that makes the complete sentence. Now for task 5, please read it aloud. How to answer task 5.
Complete the questions about Ella's family. Use the correct form of have got.
All right. So now you will be going to complete the blank using have got. Please write your answer. Khan, number 1.
Have Ella's grandfather got a sister?
Okay, correct. That is got. However, you need to use has there, not have, because Ella is only one. You got it? Khan, you need to use the correct form of have got. Remember our lesson last time? Khan, do you still remember our lesson about have got?
Yes.
Okay, so apply it, okay? Either it's positive or negative. I mean, positive, negative, or singular or plural. Okay?
Okay.
All right, number 2.
Mm, mm, have Ella's week
Again,
what
again. Has or have?
has
Okay, has. Asya. All right, let me just show you the answer. Okay, number 3.
has got
Has got. Number 4.
have got
Ah, shucks. Okay, what about for number 5?
mm, have got
What about number 6?
have got have got
Okay, have got. Now I want you to read from the number 1 until number 6. Read in its question form, okay? Can? You need,
okay.
yeah, you need question form. Has Ella's grandfather got a sister? And followed by 2 until 6. Okay, number 1.
Has Ella's grandfather got a sister?
Got a sister? Again.
Got a sister?
No, not that tone. You need to raise your voice. Can. Got a sister? Again, has Ella's grandfather got a sister? Because that is a question form. That is not a sentence. One more time. Again.
Has Ella's grandfather got a sister?
Very good. That's it. What about number 2?
Has Ella without got a children?
Again, I told you, do not read that as a sentence. That is a question. Has Ella's grand aunt got a children? Again.
Has Ella without got a children?
Very good. Number 3.
Has Ella's sister got a husband?
Again, I told you, do not make it a question. I mean, a sentence. That is a question form. I will let you read it again and again until you get the correct pronunciation. That is high. High tone. Children? Nieces? Son? Again, can. Number 3, do it again.
Has Ella's sister got a husband?
Okay, better. Number 4.
Have Uno and Maria got a children?
Very good. Number 5.
Has Ella got four niece?
Again, that's nieces. One more time. Has Ella got 4 nieces?
Has Ella got four nieces?
Good. And number 6?
Have Ella's parents got a son?
Very good. So remember that, okay? A sentence and a question has never been the same tone. Okay, Kan?
Okay.
Now, listen again. Answer the question. Heh. Ready? You listen,
Yes.
and then you will going to answer each question. Okay? So you need to listen very carefully.
Lesson 1A. Exercises 5 and 7.
Can I see that photo?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Are those your grandparents?
Well, that's my granddad, yes. But that's not my grandma. It's my granddad's sister. She hasn't got children.
And that's your sister, isn't it? That's Maria on the left.
Yes, it is. And that's her husband,
What's his name?
Bruno. And these are their 2 children.
How old are they?
6 and 4.
So you've got one niece and one nephew.
No, I've got 2 nieces and 2 nephews.
Really?
Yes, I've got a brother too, remember? And he's got 2 children.
Oh, yes. And what about you? Where are you?
I'm not in the photo. It's my camera.
Okay. Do you want to listen again? Kan, do you want to listen again?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Lesson 1A. Exercises 5 and 7.
Can I see that photo?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Are those your grandparents?
Well, that's my granddad, yes. But that's not my grandma. It's my granddad's sister. She hasn't got children.
And that's your sister, isn't it? That's Maria on the left.
Yes, it is. And that's her husband,
What's his name?
Bruno. And these are their 2 children.
How old are they?
6 and 4.
So you've got one niece and one nephew.
No, I've got 2 nieces and 2 nephews.
Really?
Yes, I've got a brother too, remember? And he's got 2 children.
Oh, yes. And what about you? Where are you?
I'm not in the photo. It's my camera.
All right, Kan. Okay, dear. So answer the question. Number 1. Has Ella's grandfather got a sister?
Yes.
Yes? Yes only?
Yes.
Kan, answer me in a complete sentence. Yes, he?
Yes, he is.
No. The question is, has grandfather got a sister? Yes, he?
Has got.
Yes, he has, Kan. Okay, if it's negative, what are you going to answer? No?
Yes.
No, if it's negative, but if negative, what will be the correct answer? Has Ella's grandfather got a sister? If it's negative, what will be the answer? No? No, he
No, he
hasn't.
hasn't.
Okay, now for number 2. Has Ella's great aunt got children?
No,
No?
he hasn't.
Okay, one more time.
No, she hasn't.
Okay, no, she hasn't. Let's see. That is correct. What about for number 3? Has Ella's sister got a husband?
Yes, she has.
Okay, yes, she has. Number 4. Have Bruno and Maria got children?
Uh, no,
No.
they haven't.
No, they haven't. That is wrong. Yes, they have, my dear. They have children. One mistake, okay? Number 5. Has Ella got 4 nieces?
Yes.
4
She has.
nieces?
Yes.
Okay. All right then. Your answer is wrong, my dear. Wrong. She got only 2 nieces and 2 nephew. That's total of 4. Can you got 2 mistakes now? What about for number 6? Have Ella's parents got a son?
Mm, mm, no, they haven't.
One more time. Has Ella got 4? I sorry. Have Ella's parents got a son?
Mm,
Has Ella's parents?
yes, yes, they have.
Yes, they have. That is correct, Ken. Okay, congratulations. You're not too bad. You got 4/6. You got 2 mistakes. So next time, be careful in the information. Okay, Ken?
Okay.
All right. We only have how many minutes left? We only have 8 minutes left. So singular and plural. Here, singular and plural forms. So learn this singular and plural form. Letter A, can please read it aloud
Mm,
to make.
Singer.
No,
No.
letter A
A,
to make.
S.
No.
To make.
Mm. Go on.
To make the plural of most noun we add s rather.
All right, Can. So at this point, you are going to learn the singular and plural form of the nouns. Okay? Nouns. So the first rule for the noun, the first rule for the noun is you are going to add s to make it plural. From singular, it becomes plural. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, what about for letter B? Please read.
If
Letter
the noun
ends.
ends in s,
S.
s,
SH.
s, h, c, h,
Mm-hmm. Z.
c,
Z.
r, e,
X.
x. We add s.
ES.
Yes.
All right, dear, remember this, okay? You need to remember this. If the word ends with these, okay? Sorry, with these letters, S, SH, CH, Z, or X, you just need to add ES to make it plural. Okay, Kan? Okay, example, bus, it becomes, Kan, bus, it becomes,
Bus,
buses.
buses,
Okay, class, it becomes,
classes,
dish, it becomes,
dishes,
okay, what about if I say, what if I say glass, it becomes,
classes,
brush, I mean glasses. What about brush? Brush.
brush,
Ah, brush. What will become? It becomes
Brush.
brushes. What if I say fox? Fox.
Function.
Okay, foxes. Now, what about for letter C? Please read. Letter C. Letter C. If the noun,
If the noun ends in
O. That's O. Letter O.
if the noun ends in o, we add s or sometimes es.
ES. Okay, example, photo, it becomes,
Photos.
or potato, it becomes
Potatoes.
potatoes. What about zoo? What will it become? Zoo.
Uh, Zoos.
Very good. What are you going to add? ES or O? I mean, S. Zoo. ES or S?
S.
Yes. All right. What about for letter D? Letter D.
If the noun ends in a
Consonant.
consonant,
Y.
y, we train y to
IES.
IES.
Very good. Like example, party.
Party, parties.
Yes. Okay. Remember that. Okay. Okay. Now, what about for numbers? Letter E. If the noun
Mm,
ends,
the noun ends in vowel,
con- plus.
y, we add s.
Okay. Example,
Example, holiday,
holiday.
holidays.
Okay. Just add S for the nouns that ends with Y. Now, what about for letter F?
If the noun ends in
F.
f or
F.
fe, we should f or fe to ves.
All right. Example.
Self, uh, self,
What about wife? Wife.
why,
Wife. It becomes
why, why.
wives. Okay. Now, last letter. Some nouns.
Some nouns have irregular vowel forms.
Example. Plural is
Feet,
okay. Man. It becomes
me,
woman. It becomes
woman.
child. It becomes
Uh,
child. Singular.
Try or
Plural. It becomes chill.
can
Chill.
change.
What will happen to child? Child. Singular. What is the plural form of it?
Um, um,
Chill. That is
chill, children.
yes, my dear, children. What about tooth? Tooth, tooth. What's the plural form of it?
So,
Tooth is the singular. What's the plural?
uh, um, a tool,
What? Tooth? It becomes
a tool, um,
T.
teeth,
Yes, my dear. That's teeth. Okay? Okay. What about house? Tell me, what's the plural of this word? House.
home, home,
Dili. No, it's not. Look at here from the rules. Look at here. What are you going to add? S or ES?
yeah, S,
Yes, so
uh,
house it becomes
um, home,
houses.
houses,
Yes, houses. Okay? Now, since it's already time, Kan, let us just continue learning about the singular and plural noun on our next meeting. Do you have any clarification?
no,
None so far. All right, then. So that would be all for tonight. Thank you so much for coming, and I wish you will enjoy the rest of the evening. Goodbye, Kan. See you on Saturday. Good night.
goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.